why is that important? Let's look at this simple example here. Let's rotate the shaded regions across the x-axis for both of them. Now, first, you need to know where to cut your diagram. There are 3 positions for all the volume questions that I always cut. You cut your diagram firstly at extreme points. So, for example, if I'm rotating the x-axis, where is the left and right extreme point? This is the extreme on the left. Your shaded region, most left point, the extreme, and the most right point, so 0 and 2. Number 2, look at any intersection points between the graphs or not. In my region here, did my graphs intersect? There's this intersection point, cut it up. Number 3, if you are rotating x-axis, you check x-intercepts. But that's because we are rotating x-axis. If you are rotating y-axis, you check y-intercepts. For my problem here, the x-intercept happens to be the same point, so we will not cut further. Why is the cutting important? Now you treat it as separate regions. Every chopped up region is referring to one region that you may want to consider integrating separately. So I have region 1 and 2. What's the point of splitting to 2 regions? You will now see that region 1 is between the straight line and touches the x-axis directly. There is no gap to the x-axis. But for region number 2, it's between the curve and the x-axis. Again, no gap, but it's different curve on both regions. So when I write down the volume, both uses a different equation. Region 1, 0 to 1 over root 2. Straight line is y squared, it's 2x, plus region 2, 1 over root 2 root 2, 1 over x squared dx. So even though there are 2 curves, there's no outer minus inner. And why? Because there is no gap to the axis. Now, if you look at the right-hand side, but we do the same cutting up. We cut on the extreme left, we cut on the extreme right. Is there a gap? There is clearly a gap here to the axis. I am rotating x-axis, and there is a gap. When there is a gap that appears, white spaces, you are going to look at, we take the outer curve, subtract the inner curve. No visualization required. Okay, so my volume will be, we go for pi, 1 over root 2 root 2, outer square minus inner square.